Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through a quick and essential process, checking if your Gmail or your Google account has been compromised or not. So let's dive into it step by step. Once you're on the Google account page, click on your profile on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap Google account. Navigate to the Security tab. It's usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down a bit and you'll find a section that says, see if your email address is on the dark web. This is where things get interesting. Right below that section, click on Run a Scan with Google One. This will initiate a scan to check if your email address has been compromised on the dark web. Click on Run Scan to let Google One do its thing. It's like having a digital detective working for you. After the scan, a report will appear. If your information is secure, it will say your info was not found on the dark web. If it was found, it will notify you accordingly. Now, here's the crucial part. If your info was found, click on View Results to get detailed information about what data might have been compromised. As a precaution, change your password immediately, and I strongly recommend enabling two-step authentication for an extra layer of security. There you have it, a quick and simple way to check if your Gmail is secure or if it requires your immediate attention. Your digital safety is essential, so take the necessary step to keep it intact. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!